with it, bro. Yeah, go ahead. Shit fire though. Morning fun, man. Hopefully I can see well. Shit wasn't really a race or nothing, man. You know, just fucking around. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, that Pontiac G8 sound good, boy. He definitely got some long tube headers on that thing, and it's definitely catless for sure, for sure. Yeah, boy, that bitch go. That bitch go. But you know me, man. On my way to work, bro. Workflow type shit. Shit, this car does so damn loud, bro. You can't even hear mine. Good fucking grief. You know, she still goes. Shit, but I can't do nothing with a tuned car, bro. He got the crackling pops and everything, man. That's the exact type of build I be trying to get. I ain't gonna lie. Shoot. Long tube headers, cam, catless. That's exactly what I want, man. But I shouldn't be cutting up anyway, though. Shit, I need to put some air on my tire. Yeah, I'm low on gas, bro. Sheesh, your boy was tripping. Oh man, shit fun though. Oh man. Shit, it's feel pretty good though in the morning, man. It's only 68. Not too bad, man. Shit, shit. But you know how people be when they car not up to par. They're like, oh yeah, I need the oil change, I need the air filter. But the whole time though, I ain't gonna say it, but it is true though. Shit, I am due for oil change. I'm coming up on it like 96,000 and 86,000 miles. I got them low on gas, you know. I ain't had a 93 in there, you know what I'm saying? I'm just talking shit, but yeah. Hey man, it's shit fun, bro. I can't lie. It's fun, no bap. I had to throw on a damn GoPro, bro. As soon as I saw you was coming, I had to throw it on there. But I might have to follow my boy on Instagram. I might have to follow him. Shit. I might have to follow him as soon as I get to the actually, I'm gonna go to the gas station first. I got enough time to go to the gas station, so I'm gonna probably shoot him a follow at the gas station. Shit, follow my guy. Will be great _314. Alright. Hey man, it's always in the morning, bro. Niggas be on their way to work and shit. Yeah, man. Hey, but I gotta go to a car meet one day. Yeah, I went to the car meet that I tried to go to a car meet one time, but I don't even know if it was really official or not. It was just something that I saw on Facebook. Then I get to the location, nothing going on. So it was just a little free ride for me, bro. Free little, I don't think I did record. I think I did. You guys probably see that POV, probably. So I definitely had my GoPro ready to go, man. I had that thing fully charged, new SD card in that bad boy and everything. My new brake's doing good though. Look, no more squeaky squeaks. Look at that. That man, this shit bites, boy. Look at this. I'm already stopping back here. Stop. Right, like nothing. It's perfect, bro. Perfecto. Get a little underpass pull before we end this thing off, man. I'll give you some gas. Go to work and shit. That's how it is, unfortunately, man. You gotta work full time. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, man. Make my dreams come true, bro. Or I can retire from all of this. So I can retire, man. For real. Cause I prefer doing this anyway, recording content for y'all, man. And that's facts. Ooh, that bad boy sound good, man. Oh shit. Hey man, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and share with your friends, your family, your car guys, your car brother, your car sister, you know, anybody, man. I'm trying to run my channel up, man. I'm trying to make this my full-time job, you feel me? Shit, that's why I enjoy doing. They always say, whatever you enjoy doing, shit, go for it, do it. And that's what I'm trying to do now. Continue to bring y'all content consistently. If you haven't noticed already, I do have a new uploaded schedule. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I'm also focusing on uploading more shorts as well. You know, just to get my content out there to a broader audience. So at the end of the day, hope y'all have a good morning, good evening, or a good night. I'm out.